Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a little technique. I was watching a stamping up demonstrator, and if I can find her video, I will link it in my description box below. But she was playing with alcohol markers and some vellum. So I have vellum that I've had, I don't know, for years. And I've cut up a few pieces and have played with my Spectrum Noir markers, because they are alcohol markers, and made some of this beautiful vellum that I can use as background paper. I'm not sure actually what I'm going to use them for, but I just thought, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So yeah, let me show you how I did it. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have some vellum here I already have cut to a size that is bigger than a base for an A2 size card, so I can trim it down if I want to use it. And I just have this cardboard here that I'm using because the alcohol does go through. The markers bleed a little, as you can see. You will need some 91 proof 91% alcohol. You will need something to use to dab the alcohol. The person in the video used a paintbrush, but I don't have a paintbrush, so I'm just using Q-tips. They work the same. And then a heat glue gun, just to dry or move the alcohol around your thing. If you don't have the heat gun, I just used a napkin and blotted it, and that's what I did for all of these. Like, I didn't use the heat gun, so tonight when I do it for you guys, I'll do it with the heat gun. So I'll be playing something new, hopefully. But anyway, so you can pick like family colors or random colors. I'm gonna do random. And let's see, so I've picked these 3 colors, and I use the fat chisel end, and I just color spots randomly on the vellum sheet. So if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate all your love and support. I hope you consider subscribing if you're new. Please like the video. Consider sharing it with a crafty friend. So red. Let's see, green. I do videos like this, as well as other paper crafting videos. I am biased to Disney. I love everything Disney. So I do Disney shares here as well. I do unboxings. I participate in collaborations with some other crafty ladies here on YouTube. So yeah, if that's the kind of thing you're looking for, please consider joining us and subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video like this. Okay, so now, I don't know if I'm gonna like these colors, but so now I have this. I am going to dip my Q-tip and just blot away. And you can see it already is moving. And I just get a bunch of alcohol so that when I tilt, it'll move around, and maybe when I do the heat gun, it'll move as well. Let's just move it around. Let me try this heat gun. You can reapply the alcohol if you don't like the saturation in one area. Like I shouldn't have used the black. It's a good thing we're making more. Okay. Well, I don't know. We'll put it on the side and see how it shows up. I'll work with some of my favorite colors, which is green. And again, you just random spots. Okay, so what about this one? Pretty cool. Now if you don't, like I said, you can always just reapply if you want to soften some of the edges up that form. There's another one. And I have 2 more, so I'll speed it up and I'll be back after I finish both of them to show you all the ones I made. Okay, so look, we're back. Yeah, so these are the 4. So easy, right? Look at the benefit. Yeah, I loved doing this. This was awesome. Okay, so if you stayed this long into the video, I'm having a hidden giveaway. It's been a while since I've appreciated my subbies, and so these are the papers that I am giving away. Just write the word green in the comment below. You don't need to leave anything else, but if you have any questions, you can ask them there and I'll try to respond. You must be a subby. You must be 18 years or older because you shouldn't be any younger watching my channel. And like I said, just leave the word green in the comment below. I will close this on Thursday, February 25th, and I will draw the winner on the 26th of February 2021. I was thinking too of adding like gold leafing or maybe embossing gold like here and there, hitting it. Not sure. But I love how it comes out. And then the other thing is, look at how much more vibrant it is with a white background. If you mat these on white. Pretty, yeah? So these are the things that you get. Don't forget, you must be a subscriber. So click that subscribe button below. If you're new here, welcome. You can find more videos like this here. And until my next video, shakas.